Hi guys, in this video, you're gonna learn how to get Dawn AI for free. Well, to do that, you must go to the Dawn AI website, which is dawnai.app, then click on Get Started for Free button or Try for Free. Fill in the requirement or required information such as your name, email, address, and password. Then choose your preferred plan. Dawn AI offers a free plan with limited features and a paid plan with more advanced features. So you choose a free plan, then click on the Start Free Trial button to begin your free trial. Well, please note that after the free trial, you're going to be charged for the next couple of days for your subscription. And that's how to get Dawn AI for free. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.